In this video, I'm going to give you an inside view to a day of a rabbit hole, my rabbit hole for today. And today was a day that I tweaked, I made things better, I gained more of an understanding, I'm pushing forward, and I'm going to show you where it started and where I ended. And here we go. I own a blockchain domain, appwallets.crypto. I was like, okay, I didn't realize I did redirect it to a page. So what I did was, I got really into it today. This is the homepage of myincomejob.com. And as you can see, website, InterWeb, income, and app wallets. I'll start with that one first. App wallets. It just came to me naturally. I was in the mood. I added the image, added headers, wrote my own content. There's a few ads popping up, and it's all about the content. And I got really into it. I educated myself more, and I just enjoyed it. I was really into it today. So this is all my content. This is all my work. And then you have that multiplex ad at the bottom. Go Google. I love it. Then a little more content, and I will continue to add on this. That's a hot topic, app wallets. And a while ago, I created this web page. This isn't a blog post. This is one of the web pages on the side. And it's self-custody, non-custodial crypto wallets. I added a header because I didn't have one. I edited my own work. I made it a little better, fixed a few typos. It's only better. That's the point. And I also added more content. I took the intro of the new page I created right here and the image. Well, I didn't produce the whole image. I took a few images and I created an image and I added it to the web page. I improved the quality of the web page's content. And again, look at that beautiful multiplex ad at the bottom. I love that. Oh, it's great. It's a great feeling to create your own rabbit hole that just continues to get better and better. Now let's get to the next one. Website, InterWeb, income. I'm creating a playlist, and the title of it is Website, InterWeb, income. And today I really got into it. This is all my content. And I created the images and created the content. This is turning into an amazing website. An amazing website. I'm so thrilled, excited. It's incredible. I also tweaked and edited the back end of my WordPress website. I can't show you everything because this will turn into 30 minutes. Let's move forward. Storeby.shop. Now I browsed around a little bit and I made the top wider because there is a top ad on the front page. It's kind of basic, but I'm getting there. I continue to move forward. And I have one ad on the side. That's how I want the front of this website to be. Then we'll scroll down to the pages. These are blog posts. These are pages. I'm going to open this letter A shopping in a new tab. And what I did was I took the top ad off over here because it really didn't fit it. And I added a sticky ad on top. But see, I made it where it's not overlapping the content, which I couldn't figure out. Today I did. It's because I didn't give up. I continue to win. And what else did I do here? I added something more to here. Oh boy, well, app wallets. See, I have to make this larger because that looks weird. I need to expand these blocks. Just doing this video, I'm going to do one more thing before I call it a day. But you see, I added app wallets here, and it says mobile, digital, and crypto wallets. Read more at, see, I need to fix that. It's too tight. It needs to be more wider. So I'll fix that in a few. But you see the ad on top? And I have the sticky ad on the bottom. I remove the top page ad. I don't like it there. I do have a sidebar ad. And look at this. I just added this a couple of hours ago. It's already showing all those ads. Because this is about food and it's about products. And oh my God, it's completely different from myincomejob.com. Now, I took those URLs, and this is something else I tweaked in the back end. I fixed a few things that the Search Console was telling me that I needed to adjust, so I did. Now I wait a couple of weeks, and it will take. But for now, myincomejob.com has 179 pages indexed, and 467 not indexed, but I'll do that in another video. There's a lot of reasons why that's happening, but that's fine. And I have 36 videos as of now. And today I fixed 4 because they were not, the URL to the YouTube video was not entered into the block correctly. So I fixed that. I'm really happy about that. And you know what? I might as well store buy.shop. That website only has 4 videos. Let's go to the pages. It has 148 pages indexed. I'm pretty proud of that. Everything's leveling out. It's only going to get better. I'm producing better quality work. I'm showing more ads now, especially on the pages and blog posts. I have this multiplex ad at the bottom. I removed the top one, the top ad, and I have a sticky ad on top that looks beautiful. I widened, I guess, the border. I think that's a border. I just couldn't figure it out. I learned. I didn't give up until I figured it out. Then I went to Bing and I manually submitted those 2 URLs because they're new to speed up the process of those URLs getting indexed into their search engine. And here's one more thing I want to share with you. Info links. I used info links over the years. You're talking 15 years ago. And they evolved into so much more. And I remember about 5 years ago, I applied again to reinstate my account. And they said, not good enough. Your work's not good enough, but they say it differently. Well, my plan is to create more blog posts and web pages and upgrade and update and add more content to the web pages I already have created. I'm going to make the website better and better because this is more about in-content advertising. It's not about the ads showing, like this is a Google ad right here. It's not like that. It's words that are targeted, and when people place their cursor over it, a box pops up and an ad pops up. It's a different form of target advertising. And I can't believe their site looks beautiful. They've come so far. I cannot wait to reapply to this. I'm going to continue to produce better quality content, and I want my IncomeJob.com to be accepted into their program. I don't think the other website will fit this, but you never know. You never know. And my goal is this summer, and I hope that I qualify this time because their way of advertising is all about content writing, quality content, and which it is. Now, what I'm going to do in the next couple of weeks, I'm going to find out what program I can pay for to protect my work. And I've been saying that a long time because now I'm working faster. I'm working more efficient. I know what I'm doing. Google Ads continue to approve me with more ads to be shown on my websites. And there's so much more to it that I'm heading in the right direction. I didn't want to show my face today because I'm in cleaning and working online and doing a lot of the back end editing, tweaking, fixing, because it's only getting better. So make sure you visit the, what did I call it? Website InterWeb Income YouTube playlist at Internet Education 101. I should have had that open. You know what? I'll open it right now. Let's see what happens. Internet Education 101. Let's see. Yep, there you go. Here you go. Website InterWeb income course 2. Website internet income. I have a playlist and I will continue to add to it. So visit Internet Education 101.
Hi, everyone.
And I'll see you next time. Never give up, folks. You can change your financial position, embracing new technology and set it up, gain your new skills, create your own blueprint to a better financial position for yourself, a better financial standing, more financial security, create cash flows of income in so many different ways. I'll see you next time. Have a good one. Bye, everybody.